Let's take a look at how to create infographics in NotebookLM. The best part is it's a very easy, simple process. The first step is to open NotebookLM. Now, to create your infographic, it's really just 2 steps. The first step is to add the sources you want to use. The second is to tell NotebookLM to create the infographic. For example, let's say you want to create an infographic about how the stock market works. Start by logging into NotebookLM and create a new workbook. For today, let's have NotebookLM do all the heavy lifting. Let's type in a prompt, something like how the stock market works. Go ahead and click on the submit icon, and NotebookLM will go out to the web and pull in some trusted sources. Once that's completed, go ahead and import all the sources. Next, to create our infographic, over here on the right, look for the infographic button. Now, you could click the infographics button to create the image, but the results may not be that great. So your best bet is to click on the pencil icon and describe in detail the type of graphic you want to create. In our case, we can type in a prompt like how the stock market works. You can also change the language, amount of detail you want to see, and the image orientation. Let's go ahead and click on generate, which will take a few moments. Okay, let's click right here to see the final results. Wow, you gotta admit, that's not too bad, pretty cool. If you want to download the infographic, you can click on the icon right here. If we aren't happy with the results, we can go back and recreate the image. But a big word of caution, if you're on the free plan, you have a limited amount of infographics you can create per day, which I believe is 3 as of this recording, but don't quote me on that. And that's how easy it is to create infographics using NotebookLM. Feel free to share your thoughts below. Don't be shy about using that like, share, and subscribe button. And now here's another video.